I'll probably use the stingray a lot more. I can buy the RPG. No space. Guys, wait. We can increase space though. But for the most part, we got no space. If I want... I had to sacrifice these! Okay. How long of a boss fight is it without the rocket launcher? Let's think about this really quick. Very long? Fuck yeah, okay, we're fighting it! Okay, so I'm pretty sure we can do it. If I miss with a rocket launcher... Wait, do I have to buy ammo for it? Or is it like a one-time use? One-time use. I'm just kidding, Ashley. I'm just kidding. I won't actually do it. What Javino? Oh shit, it's Ada. Damn, that sucks. See ya. Wait. Oh good god! Are you still alive? Oh good god, that feels fantastic! You know, oh my good god, it's not done, give me another rocket launcher! Alright, let's shoot and dodge, let's go. Okay, I might heal here. Oh! Okay, can I... It won't let me take my shit. It wouldn't let me heal. Sorry if I cheesed it though, sorry. After the salamander thing, I'm just so tired. I gotta sprint for the finish? What the fuck? Oh, it's probably the boat scene,